First we have to start the chapter checkup, question number 12. Okay, so listen here, what is given in this question and how to solve this one. So read this one. What is here on page number 177, question number 12. O is a point in the interior of angle ABC. Listen here, angle ABC is drawn, angle ABC. Okay, O is the interior point of angle ABC. Okay, again, what is given here? OB and OC are perpendicular from O to AB and AC. OB and OC are perpendicular to AB and AC. Means 90-degree angle is here and here also 90-degree angle. Means this is right angle. ये perpendicular है. Means this is right angle. Means what is the measurement of this angle? Can you tell me? Hello? Can you tell me what is the measurement of angle B? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is the measurement of angle B?
Angle B.
Now listen here, O is the interior point of angle ABC. Listen to me. Here the diagram is like this. Suppose this is the angle. Suppose angle ABC. Okay.
Yes, sir.
O is the interior point of angle ABC. And suppose if you draw a perpendicular on it, then what is the angle? Perpendicular.
90 degree.
90 degree.
90 degree.
This is the right angle. मैंने draw भी किया है यहाँ पर. छोटा सा square मैंने बनाया है. Okay. This is right angle, means the measurement of this right angle is what? 90 degree. And this is also 90 degree. Both angles are 90 degree. Both angles are right angles. And now,
Yes, sir.
again, what is given here? Angle A is equal to 65 degree. This is given 65 degree. This is 65 degree. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Now, what is the question here? You have to find angle BOC. BOC means, where is BOC? BOC means you have to find this angle. Okay, means,
Sir, very easy question.
okay, this is very simple question. ABOC is a, what is this? ABOC, what is this? Which diagram is this? क्या है ABOC? कौन सी diagram बनती है?
Quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral. Very good.
Quadrilateral.
ABOC is a quadrilateral. Okay, and measurement of three angles are given. You have to find the measurement of fourth angle, that is angle
Fourth
O.
angle
Okay, means BOC
is equal to 360 degree.
means, yes.
Let the angle O is equal to X.
Okay, angle O equal to X you can consider here, or simply you can keep as it is angle BOC. आप ऐसा भी रख सकते हो. And you know very well the sum of measurement of all the angles of a quadrilateral is what?
360.
360 degree. Okay, very good.
60 degree.
Sum of all interior angles of quadrilateral is always 360 degree. Then you can write here angle A plus angle B plus angle O plus angle C is equal to 360 degree. Then angle A is given 65, angle B is 90 degree, angle O that you have to find, and angle C again 90 degree. So this will be equals to 360 degree. Then sum of all these three angles, subtract from 360, so you can get the angle O, means angle BOC. Can you find like this? See here. Here,
Yes, sir.
sum of, you can write here, and measurement of angle A plus measure, या फिर direct you can write like this. Quadrilateral ABOC is a quadrilateral.
Okay,
now so you can write here measurement of angle A plus measurement of angle B plus measurement of angle C plus measurement of angle O. This will be equals to 360 degree. What is the reason you have to write here? Reason क्या लिखेंगे? Sum of measures of angles
Angle sum property.
of quadrilateral. Angle sum property भी लिख सकते हो. Angle sum property of quadrilateral. Okay, angle sum property of quadrilateral or sum of measures of angles of quadrilateral. That is 360 degree. A is, you know very well, this is given. Angle A is given, that is how many? 65 degree. Measurement angle B that you know very well. This is 90 degree.
90 degree.
Angle C is also 90 degree. But angle O that you have to find. So measurement of angle O that you have to find. So keep as it is. So this will be equals to 360 degree. Now you have to add these three angles. 180 plus 65. How many? 45. 45 plus measurement of angle O is equal to 360. Then measurement of angle O is equal to 360 degree minus 245. So what you can get here? Hello.
Hello, sir. Lollipop.
Hello. Can you tell me what is the answer? 360 minus 245. 360 minus 245. 5 here 1 and here also 1. 115. 115 degree. So measurement of angle O equal to 115. O means what? You can say that here measurement of angle O means you can read BOC. Angle BOC is equal to 115 degree. So in this way you can easily find the measurement of angle BOC. Understood this one? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, side please, we have to take a screenshot.
Recording in progress.
जब क्लास शुरू रहता है तो घर वालों को आपको बताना है कि कोई गाने वगैरह ना सुने ताकि आपको आवाज ना आए, ठीक है? ये बात का ध्यान रखिए आप। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, व्हाट इज हियर? ABCD is a parallelogram. मैंने ड्रॉ किया है। ABCD is a parallelogram like this. आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा? हेलो? Listen here. What ABCD is a parallelogram. One of the angle of this parallelogram, angle A is 50 degree. Angle A is 50 degree. Suppose this is 50 degree. Okay, this is 50 degree. And what you have to find here? State the measures of other angles B, C, and D. You have to find the measurement of remaining angles. Means angle B, what is angle B, what is angle C, and what is angle D. That you have to find. Okay. Angle A is 50 degree. Can you tell me directly what is the angle measurement of angle C?
50 degree.
Why? What is the reason?
Opposites.
Ma'am,
angles
because
are
opposite
equal.
angles. Opposite angles are equal.
of opposite angle of
Angles are equal.
parallelogram.
Parallelogram.
Parallelogram. Opposite angles of parallelogram are always equal. So directly you can write
Yes,
here.
sir.
Listen here. Measurement of angle A is equal to 50 degree. This is given. This is given. Already it is given. Now you have to write. You can write
Yes, sir.
here. Measurement of angle C is equal to measurement of angle A. A means 50 degree. Measurement of angle C is equal to measurement of angle A. यानी ही 50 degree. Why? Why these two angles are equal? Because
Opposite angles are equal.
opposite
Opposite
angles
angles are equal.
of parallelogram. Opposite angles of parallelogram. Now, okay, ये मिल गया आपको. Angle C is what? 50 degree. Now you have to find angle B or angle D.
Adjacent.
Okay. Now listen here. Angle B is the adjacent angle of A, and also angle D is the adjacent angle of A. And you know very well one of the property of parallelogram, adjacent angles in a parallelogram are supplementary.
Supplementary.
It means that sum of these two adjacent angle is 180 degree. Okay. So you can find any one of them. Angle, you can find angle B or angle D. कोई भी एक angle आपको find करना है. Suppose if you find angle B, then you can directly write angle D is equal to what? Because this is also the opposite angle.
Opposite angle.
Okay, this is
Parallelogram.
So we can write here angle A plus angle B. Measurement of angle A plus measurement of angle B is equal to 180 degree. Why? Supplementary angles.
Yes.
Supplementary angles. Okay, these two are supplementary angles. So you can write here measurement of angle A is 50 degree. It is given, plus B that you have to find. So this will be equals to 180 degree. Okay. Now measurement of angle B is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree. So what you can get here? कितना मिलेगा? So 130 degree.
30, 130.
130 degree. Angle B is equal to 130 degree. This is 130. ठीक है, ये आपको मिल गया 50 degree. So can you find angle D? Can you find angle D?
Yes, sir.
130.
How to find it?
130 degree. 130 degree.
130 degree.
Why this angle is 130
Opposite
degree?
angles of parallelogram.
Opposite angle are equal.
Opposite
Opposite
angles
angles
of
of
parallelogram.
parallelogram. So directly we
Opposite
can write
angles of
here,
parallelogram.
measurement of angle D is equal to measurement of angle B. And B means what? 130 degree. So reason is what? Opposite angles
Of parallelogram.
of parallelogram. Opposite angles of parallelogram. So in this way you can write the answer. Okay, this is question number 13. Just wait. Here, what is question number 14? PQRS is a parallelogram. The adjacent angles are in the ratio 2:1. State all the angles. Okay, so first you have to draw what is given here. PQRS is a parallelogram. So you have to draw, first you have to draw the angle, quadrilateral PQRS. This is a parallelogram. Okay. Then adjacent angle of this parallelogram are 2:1 in ratio. Adjacent means these two angles are adjacent, or these two angles are adjacent. These two angles are adjacent, these two angles are adjacent. So any angle, any two angles means any two adjacent angle you can consider here. तो मैं यहाँ पर ये लेता हूँ एंगल P और एंगल Q को एडजेसेंट कंसीडर करता हूँ मैं. Okay, suppose the ratio of these two angle is 2:1. Means 2:1 is the ratio, not the angles. These are not the angles. This is the ratio. Okay. Suppose 2:1 is the ratio, means suppose this angle is 2x and this angle is 1x. Okay. Now this is the measurement 2x and 1x. But actually, suppose I will tell you this is the measurement of angle Q. What is the measurement? That is x. X means actually we cannot find what is the exact measurement. This is unknown number. So that you have to find what is the value of x. Then put here the values. Then you can easily get the measurement of all the angles. Correct. Okay.
Sir, orally I can tell it.
Yes.
Sir,
Uh,
orally Q, angle Q is equal to 60 degree and angle P is equal to 120 degree and angle R is opposite to angle P. So angle R also 120 degree and angle S is 60 degree because it is opposite to Q.
okay.
Angle Q.
Good. Very good. Okay. You can orally find it, but you have to solve this problem. And how to solve that method I will explain you now. Okay. आपने जो आंसर बताया वो करेक्ट है, लेकिन आपको मेथड लिखनी है. पेपर में अगर आपको ये क्वेश्चन आता है तो आपको इसे सॉल्व करना है, आपको मेथड लिखनी है. लेकिन आपने अगर ओरली फाइंड किया है तो बहुत ही अच्छी बात है ये वाली कि आपको ओरली समझ में आना ज्यादा जरूरी है. अगर ओरली समझ में आता है तो आप उसको लिख भी सकते हो. ओके, सो वेरी गुड, आपने अच्छा ट्राई किया. लिसन हियर, द रेशियो इज गिवन. रेशियो ऑफ adjacent angles is 2:1. 2:1, that is ratio. This is given ratio. Okay, means the angles are, therefore the adjacent angles are 2x and 1x. 2x and 1x, ये दो angles हैं. Okay, and sum of adjacent angle in a parallelogram, that is 180 degree, because the angles are supplementary. So you can write here. So therefore 2x plus 1x is equal to 180 degree. You can write here supplementary angles. Okay, these two angles are supplementary. Now this will be equals to 3x equal to 180 degree. Then x is equal to 180 divided by 3. So x is equal to 3 6 are 18, means 60 degree. मतलब आपको ये मिला है 60 degree मिला है. x is equal to what? 60 degree. अब उसका ये डबल है, ये जो एंगल इसका डबल है, मतलब ये 120 हो जाएगा. ओके ओके, अंडरस्टूड. x is equal to 60 degree and 2x is equal to what? 2 into 60 means 120 degree. आपको दोनों एंगल मिल गए. ओके, so therefore you can write here angle, which one? Angle P is equal to 2x is equal to 120 degree. And angle कौन सा? Q. Angle Q is equal to x is equal to 60 degree. ये दोनों एंगल आपको मिल गए, P and Q. Can you find the remaining two angles? Can you write this remaining two angles? Directly you can write here.
Yes sir.
P आपको मालूम है, आपने P लिखा है, P is equal to 120 degree. So therefore you can write here angle R is equal to angle P. P के बराबर है ये. Why? And this will be equal to 120. ये लिखा हुआ है. opposite angles
Angle.
ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम. और दूसरा जो है एंगल S इज इक्वल टू कौन सा एंगल है? एंगल Q. और एंगल Q हमने फाइंड किया है 60 डिग्री. सेम रीजन यू कैन राइट हियर. Opposite angles of parallelogram. So in this way you can find easily the remaining angles of parallelogram if you know the ratio of adjacent angles. Okay, so write down this. मैं आपको listen here. Question number 15. The diagonals of a rhombus are 12 centimeter and 16 centimeter. Find the length of one side of rhombus. Given that AC equal to 16 and BD equals to 12. AC 16. Listen here. AC 16 given means you can easily find AO. What is AO? Can you tell me? AO कितना रहेगा?
6.
Huh?
8
centimeter. And can you tell me this one? DO?
6.
Okay. Now listen here. If you find here, this is the rhombus. It is given here. Quadrilateral ABCD
Yes, sir.
is a rhombus. Quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. It is given here. Okay. And you know the properties of rhombus. One of the properties there, the diagonals of a diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angle. Means 90 degree angle is formed here. This is the right angle.
Yes, sir.
This is right angle. Angle AOD is a right angle. Okay. This is one of the side. This is another side. This is the hypotenuse. Consider angle AOD. Angle O is 90 degree. This is right angle. And
Yes,
opposite
sir.
side of O
Yes,
is
sir.
that is AD. This is the hypotenuse. So if you know these two sides, can you find it? This one, this hypotenuse.
Yes, sir.
Easily find
Yes,
it
sir.
by using Pythagoras theorem. You can easily find. If you know one of the sides means remaining sides are equal. सभी side equal. Okay. आपको सिर्फ एक side find करना है by using the Pythagoras theorem. Okay.
Pythagoras
Now,
theorem.
you can write here question number 15. Quadrilateral AB.
Sir.
Yes.
Orally is equal to 80. Sir, orally AD is equal to 10 centimeter.
हाँ. Very good. 10 सेंटीमीटर आएगा. AD is equal to. आपने इसका स्क्वायर किया है, इसका भी स्क्वायर किया है, दोनों को ऐड किए, 100 आया आंसर. उसका स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड किया.
100 plus.
ठीक है. तो ये पाइथागोरस थ्योरम को ध्यान रखना है ताकि आप ओरली आंसर निकाल सके. ठीक है. फिर लिखना कैसे है वो हम जान लेंगे. ठीक है. सो क्वाड्रिलेटरल ABCD इज अ rhombus.
Sir, triangle and
Given.
quadrilateral.
This is given. ABCD is a rhombus. Okay. Now what is given again? AC is equal to 16 centimeter means AO is equal to what? Half of AC. यानी ही half of 16 यानी 8 centimeter you can get AO. So in this way you can that find also. BD is equal to, ये भी given है. Then BD is equal to 12 centimeter. This is also given. ये भी given है. ठीक है. BD दिया हुआ है 16. तो आपको ये find करना है DO. So DO is equal to, DO क्या रहेगा? Half of BD. BD का half है. देखो ना, ये जो DO है ये पूरे BD का half है. तो आप यहाँ लिख सकते हैं 1/2 into 12 is equal to 6 centimeter. आपको ये दोनों मिल गए. मतलब ये 8 मिला और ये 6 मिल गया. Okay.
हाँ, sir.
Here,
Yes.
you have to consider this triangle AOD. Triangle AOD is a right angle triangle. Triangle AOD is a right angle triangle. Triangle AOD is a right angle triangle. Okay. So you have to use Pythagoras theorem to find the third side means hypotenuse. Okay. So by Pythagoras theorem, by PGT, by Pythagoras theorem, you can write here AD square is equal to AO square plus DO
Plus
square.
DO square.
AD square means hypotenuse square equal to AO square plus DO square.
Plus DO square.
क्या लिखता हूँ अभी. ठीक है. AD square. AD means that you have to find AD square is equal to AO means 8, so you can write here 8 square
8.
plus DO means 6 square. So 8 8 are 64 plus 36. So this will be equals to 100. This is AD square. But you have to find AD, not AD square. So AD is equal to square root of 100. And square root of 100 means what? 10. So this is 10.
10.
So you can get 10 centimeter like this. Okay. You can already find it, but how to write this one problem? You can write like this. ये method of understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. मैं इसकी फोटो ले लेता हूँ, आपको सेंड करता हूँ.